Hi friends, welcome to Diva's Nest. Hope you're all doing good and safe. Today we are going to make a very healthy and tasty breakfast recipe. So this can be used as a tiffin box snack as well. So let's get started. For this we need to take 2 cups of idli rice or any raw rice, and we need to wash it nicely and then soak it for at least 4 to 5 hours till they turn soft. Next I'm taking 1 large potato which is boiled and peeled, and the other ingredients are 2 carrots finely grated, 1 onion chopped, and I've taken some curry leaves and a small piece of ginger, and 1 green chili finely chopped, and I'm also taking 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. So the quantity of chili flakes and green chili you can take it as per your choice. Now into a mixie jar we need to add the rice, and I'm adding around 1/4 cup of water, and we need to grind it into a very fine paste. Do not over add water, because if you add water more then the rice will not be ground fine. So once this is ready, next we need to add the potatoes, the mashed potatoes I have added into it, and next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a small piece of ginger into it. Now we'll grind it again, so if required you can add water and then grind it into a fine paste. So once the batter is ready, we will transfer it into another bowl. Now we will start adding the other ingredients. So we will start adding the chili flakes and all the other items which we had kept aside, the carrot, the onions, the green chilies and everything. So this step is totally as per your preference. You can add any vegetables as per your choice, like a grated cabbage or beetroot or capsicum, tomatoes, totally as per your preference. So once you add all the vegetables as per choice, then we need to add salt according to taste. Okay, and then we'll mix it and start adding some water as per requirement. In the meantime, we need to also add a pinch of baking soda, as we are going to make it instantly. So here I've added another 1/4 cup of water and then mix it thoroughly, and we need to make a very not a watery consistency like a regular dosa batter. Okay, pouring consistency. Now once the tawa is hot, we can make it in 2 ways, either in a normal tawa like this, or you can also use the grill pan. So I'll show you both. So I'm taking a ladle of batter and just spread it around like this, and then we can cover it with a lid and cook it on either sides. Once it is done, you can flip it on to the other side and then cook. You can also add a little bit of oil or ghee as per your choice, or even cheese, totally as per your choice. And once it is ready, you can take it off the flame. And now if you're doing it in a grill pan, then same process, just grease the pan once, and then we will pour around 2 to 3 ladle of batter, and just spread it evenly all around, and then again spread you can sprinkle a little bit of oil or ghee, cover it with a lid and cook it on either side. Once it is ready, then we can take it off the flame, and here this one you can cut it into small pieces or in the shape of bread, that is like a sandwich bread, and serve it. So this is like a complete meal. It's like having rice and curry. You have all vegetables in it and rice, so it is ready. So here I'm serving it with coconut chutney. This is a definite tiffin box snack. Kids will love it, and it is extremely filling as well, very soft too. So hope you all liked it, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you so much for watching.